Hello, busters! Butter chicken Delhi style here for you. The recipe will be on my Instagram and my YouTubes at Yorkshire Indian. Don't be tight, bastard. Give me chicky follow. Anyway, I got some chicken legs from the Tesco's. This is nice chicken. I was very happy with these. Not lazy bastard Tesco. Look, they took the little bone out that's attached to the back and the spine. So that's nice. I didn't have to take that out myself. What I did was I peeled the skin off and then I trimmed a little bit of the fat. If you want to get boneless, you're a bit scared of bone. Some people don't like a bit of bone. You don't like a bone. You need good boning sometimes. But you don't like the bone, then just get boneless. Simple as that. Same recipe, just get the bone. So what I do is I'll tell you about the butter chicken from Delhi. This is an old Delhi style way of making butter chicken. Butter chicken originally comes from Delhi. Like most dishes come from Delhi actually, except for like something like chicken madras, which as everybody knows doesn't come from Delhi, it comes from Glasgow. Anyway, what I'm going to do is first marinate here with the lemon juice and some Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a nice vigorous mix, rub it all in, and then simply put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So you can start the sauce while it is marinating on the first marinade. And then we're going to put it in the fridge. You're going to take it out. Look, I definitely put it in the fridge. It's 50 minutes later. And we're going to add some yogurt. Oh, lovely yogurt. Creamy yogurt. Fucking nice. Then we're going to add some ginger, garlic paste. I don't know why I'm telling you all the recipe. It's going to be written down. You already give me fucking loads of work. You know I'm lazy bastard. And you make me do all this. Like, I want a recipe. Can I have a recipe, please? And anybody complain that it's not coconut, it's not red. Why is it not red? My local curry house does it and it's red. Because they put fucking color powder in there, bastard. It's artificial. We don't want artificial shit in here. We want natural colors, natural flavors, everything natural, please. So give it a vigorous mix. Rub it in all those little crevices that we made. We scored the chicken, don't forget. We scored it for a fucking reason. So the flavor goes inside. Now listen, when you cover this and put it in fridge, make sure minimum 4 hours. Don't be lazy bastard. Don't be desperate bastard. I'm fucking starving. I want to eat it now. No, wait. Minimum 4 hours. If you can do it overnight, do it overnight. That would be great. But I will allow you 4 hours. Don't be a tight, lazy bastard. Make sure 4 hours. Bring it out. Preheat that oven. All the instructions are going to be there. As I said, on the recipe. I don't know why I am fucking repeating myself. So what we're going to do is put the chicken on 200 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn it once. Any extra marinade, just rub it on. And I'm going to put it in the oven right now. Oh, Dougie, do you want some, Mr. D? You want some chicken? Don't fucking smell it. It's fucking raw. I'll give you a piece later, darling. Don't you worry. You know I always fucking wait. You look at that fucking size of you bastard. Anyway, let's start the sauce while the chicken is cooking. And this is the nice part. So we're going to get some chilies. We're going to get equal amount of ginger and garlic. And we're going to coarsely chop these. I don't want anybody panicking about the next part when I put some whole masalas in there. I know what you're going to be thinking. Fucking hell, mate. I was going to eat all those fucking bits, mate. I don't want those fucking bits in there, mate. We've got some cloves. We've got some green cardamom. We've got some cumin seeds. We've got some cinnamon stick. Don't worry, you won't be chewing this in your mouth. I will show you a little trick later. You're not fucking a Mary Berry. You're not baking a pocket of airy cake. You're making a butter chicken Delhi style. So bear with me, please. By the way, anybody be watching in the newsletter? What the fuck is going on? The Liz Truss and the Kwasi Kwarteng, they love the crypto so much. They're bringing a new currency out to compete with the pound sterling. It's called the shit coin. Silly bastards. Anyway, let's get back to the sauce. Look how red it is. This is why we simmer it down. We cook it off. The color will change. It go bright red. Look at that beautiful red. No color powder. No red color powder. No artificial flavors. Just chili powder, garam masala, turi masala. That's it. Now, for the extra spicy bastards, if you want to add a little bit more on the recipe to your chili powder, you can add some more. For medium spicy to spicy bastards, follow this recipe. For the mild bastards, just go get a cheese and onion for a fucking Greg's bastard. No, I'm only joking. Just do a little bit less chili powder. You can regulate it. You can regulate it for milder. This came out about medium spicy. But if you want to put a little bit less chili powder at the end for the sauce, you can do tandoori chicken. Make it exactly the same as the recipe. So here we are, bit more butter there. We're going to make the sauce that we strained. We're going to cook that off, and we're going to mix this ginger garlic in with the butter. And this is already looking fucking lovely. There's the sauce that's strained. It's got all the flavors in. There's one or two things missing. We need a little bit of sweet, and then we need some kasuri methi. This is dried fenugreek. If you can blend it, blend it. If not, get your fingers together like this and rub till it's nice and broken down. Powdery. This will give it a beautiful flavor. Then we're going for sweetness. We're going to add some honey. I think about a tablespoon going in there. Mix it in. We're simmering the sauce away as we're doing it all while the chicken is cooking away. And then we're going to add some lovely, luscious double cream. I put double cream because I'm a creamy bastard. Fucking love double cream. I love double cream on my cake. I love double cream on my toast. No, not on my toast. But you understand. I love double cream. This made it nice and creamy butter chicken. And then I keep saying butter chicken. Where's the butter? There's more butter. Here's the chakan, tandoori chakan. You can have this on its own if you want. You can have this with salad, you can have this with rice, you can have this with fried egg, boiled egg, whatever you want. And all I'm doing is chopping this up. Like I said, if you have boneless, then you won't have to worry about any of the bones because it's boneless, bastard. Simple as. Chop it up, let it cool down a little bit first before you chop it. And then chop it and then add it to the sauce. And we're going to finish simmering it. The chicken's already cooked, so you don't need to puck about. The sauce is already glistening. Look at the color of that sauce. It's fucking beautiful. And take it from me, I really thoroughly enjoyed it. All that's missing from this now is some Garam Masala as a garnish, a little bit of coriander powder, and some freshly chopped coriander, which is key. I don't want coriander. I'm not gonna eat it. I am not green stuff. Shut the fuck up. Coriander is fucking good. And stop calling it cilantro. It's not fucking cilantro. It's coriander. But I enjoyed it. You'll enjoy it. Follow the recipe. And I'll see you soon.